So this is a basic dance moves for beginners tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll teach you guys the 3 most important things that you need to be able to do as a beginner. These things are the foundation, so if you know how to do those 3 things, you can make a million combinations and it'll make your dance look much more interesting. Alright, so I'm gonna teach you 3 basic things. 1, the bounce, 2, the lead, and 3, how to move around the dance floor. Now you'll see at the end, once I combine 2 or 3 of those things, plus including the arms, you'll see that that's all you need, alright? You're set once you have those 3 basic things in place. Alright, so the bounce. So let me just show it from the side here. Obviously, there's nothing advanced about this, alright? So you're just bending your knees, that's basically the bounce. Now there are different ways of doing the bounce. You can do more of the shallow bounces, so just very small bounces like this. Or you can go deep, so going a bit lower, bending your knees more, alright? So this is a shallow bounce, alright? Or you can go bounce, 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 bounce. Alright, let's try and practice to the music. So we're just gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, I'm gonna count us down. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then now you can add whatever arms you can do. Running man here, you can do side to side, whatever you want, alright? Let's just try and do a running man, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna count us down. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, moving on to number 2, the lean, alright? Now the lean is also very simple if you're just doing the lean, alright? You can lean to the front, to the side, to the back, to the other side, or to the corners here. Yeah, I sometimes use this when I need a break and I just want to chill, alright? So what you want to do is just practice going from side to side, alright? You can do these arms again, that makes sense. Boom. So just from side to side, A, 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 or you can go to the front, you can go way, 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 way. Alright, let's just try and practice a quick combo with the arms. So we're just gonna say, throw them to the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna lean to the front and go what? And then 1, 2, and then go back, no, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's just try that. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now that you know how to do the bounce and you know how to do the lean, you can combine those 2 things and then you can go A, 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 A. I think I do this a lot. Alright? Or this with the bounce, A, A, A. Alright, so the 3rd thing you want to practice is moving around the dance floor, right? And one thing I probably use the most is doing this step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. So what I mean when I say tap is that I won't actually place almost not any weight on this leg here. I'm just tapping because I'm already ready to move this and then step on it and then tap the other leg, alright? So weight is on this leg, and then now I place the weight on this leg, weight on this leg, alright? So just tap slightly here. Boom, boom. Now the beauty of this move is that you can move around, alright? So if you just sort of move your body from the side, you can go here, and then other side, you just need to turn, boom, or back, boom, 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 around, whatever you want. That's the beauty of this move, alright? You can do whatever you want, you can move anywhere you want, you can do big steps, hey! Alright, or small steps, fast steps, double tempo. You get the idea. Alright, let's just try and practice that. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's just practice one more where we go diagonal here. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we want to turn back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Let me count those in. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back, 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 back. And now once you know how to do the balance, the lean, and also this moving around the dance floor, you can combine 2 or 3 of those things. And one thing you could do is, let me just show you an example here. You can go boom, 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 shoo, 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 shoo. All right? And then you can go, I'm too famous, don't touch me. Hey, back off. All right? We can try and do that. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Final bonus tip. Now, once you can know how to do these things, you can vary the speed. So depending on the mood and how the song goes, you can go slow, slow, fast, 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 and slow, slow. Same goes with the lean. You can also do the same. Something I really like to do is go one side, the other side, and then double. So 1, 2, double, double, 1, 2, double, double. You can also do it when you move your legs here, double, and then I just take another step, whoop, and then continue. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.